What's up, YouTube? This is Up Your Style with another sneaker pickup slash showcase. Alright, let's get into it. I have a Nike Air Foamposite 1 Black Varsity Red, retail for $200, but I got these for a much lower price. So yeah, let's get into it. As you can already see from the background, yes, I did double, no, not double, triple up. Whoa. Okay, let's get into the shoes. They're like everyone else that has done a review or showed these sneakers. They're the Nike, they're the Air Foamposite 1s, Penny Hardaway sneakers. Let's see if I can get the symbol. Let's put on flash and see if that helps. As you can see, the Foamposites feature mainly all black upper with the black Foamposite material and black suede around the laces. With a red swoosh right there and a red line going up down to the top. Red line, red embroidery line going across the tongue with the Penny Hardaway logo. And 4 stripes on the pull tab and 4 stripes on the back pull tab and the Penny Hardaway logo again. Alright, let's take off flash. Okay, as you can see here, we have the carbon fiber insert around the outer arch of the foot area. Okay, now as you can see, the infamous translucent soles on Foamposites. The outside area is this varsity red translucent color with the Penny Hardaway logo in black and red, and inside in the mid area of the sole is this black rubberized black rubber thread pattern with more carbon fiber inserts in the mid area of the soles, with Zoom Air written in the top part of the bottom of the sole. As you can see, there's more carbon fiber in the inside arch area too. Very simple colorway of the Foamposite 1s, but simple but nice. Very very easy to wear, not hard to match. Yes. Fortunately, I wish I can find the other colors in the same price category as I got these. I hope you liked the video. Hope you like the shoes. Great basketball sneaker. Great sneaker in general. I would say the biggest negative would probably be the breathability. You know, the mesh tongue helps, but I guess I would say they should have added maybe some holes or something in this area, I would say. Help your feet to breathe better. But it's all good. Still one very futuristic, space-looking sneakers. I'm telling you, if you had to go to the moon and you could wear Nikes instead of gravity boots, or if they're gonna turn these into gravity boots, I would so let them turn these into gravity boots. Maybe not this colorway, but definitely these sneakers. Oh yeah, the inside, what do you call it? The inside footbed is black with the swoosh in the ear and this like inner sock liner, which makes the sneaker really comfortable. Alrighty. Okay. Hope you can get a close up on that foam-posite material. Okay. It's a really nice colorway. I hope you liked it. Please comment, like, and if you want, subscribe. Take it easy, YouTube.